Good morning students. Today we are starting revision of chapter first networking concept. Now in this chapter we have to discuss computer network, advantages of computer networking, networking components, type of network, network topology, network architecture, accessing file from a shared drive, and last one is networking security. Dear students, first of all we have to discuss about computer network. A computer network is defined as a group of two or more computers connected to each other for sharing information and resource, that is known as computer networks. Means when we have to connect two or more than computers between each other, now whole process is known as computer networks. Computers on a network are called nodes, and devices which allocate resources for a network are called as servers. Here students, computers on a network are nodes. Here you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 computers are nodes, and devices which allocate resource for a network are called servers. Here this is servers. Now next topic is advantages of computer networking. Means the question is here, sir, what is the advantages of computer networking? Why we have adapt this facility in our computer networking? Now first thing is that students, resource sharing by network connected devices like printers, scanners, or sharing softwares between multiple users saves money. You have to understand, means when we have use multiple information, multiple criteria, multiple hardware with different types of scenarios, now users and clients save their time as well as their money. That's why we use computer networking. Sharing a single internet connection is cost effective. If a person or more than 2 persons use internet connection between their particular portfolio, means their whole system is cost effective, means their expenses is too high. But if they can connect with multiple resources, their cost effective is very cheap and can help protect our system if used properly. Secure networking. Today the time of internet, and all persons, all students, all offices, all hospitals, and many resources that connect to each other, now their time, their money, their information is secured. Means each and every person want to secure their data and their capacity. Means computer networks is resource. This problem is very easy mode. Now following are the benefits of networking. First is resource and information sharing. Resource sharing is using network connected device like printers, scanners, and copiers. Resources means hardware devices, or sharing softwares between multiple users. Means one software, one hardware is used at a single time many persons. One of the most important uses of networking is to allow the sharing of data between different users. Students, we have to know about these things, that particularly in a definite time multiple users can use money resource at a single times. Computer networks allow multiple users to share a single internet connection. With a single internet connection, multiple persons can use with the help of internet connection with their devices. Students, second topic is connectivity and communications. Network connect computers and the users of those computers. This makes the transmission of information easier, more efficient and less expensive. First of all, connectivity. Now this word is connect with speed. Second is communications, how we can share our information with second persons. If we use internet, if we use network computers, then our information send easier, more efficient and less expensive. Next, fast document delivery. Today is the time of information technology. With the help of internet, it is possible to deliver the document anywhere all over the world within seconds. Internet is the fastest means of communications. Dear students, if you want to send a information within 1 second, now we can use email. Email is that type of services which we can send our information within less of timing. Next topic, network components. Students, component. First of all, we have to discuss component. Component means part. Component means sources. Component means hardware as well as software. Computer networks share common devices, functions and features including servers, clients, transmission media, shared data, shared printers and other hardware and other software resources. Network interface card, local operating systems and the network operating system. First of all, we have to discuss LAN, local area networks. Now LAN needs 6 essential components to functions. We have to discuss this topic in next moment. Now first is network adapter, second is network medium wired network need cable, third is cable connector, fourth is power supply, fifth is hub switch router and sixth is network software. Here students, this is hardware, this is cable means hardware, cable connector it is hardware, power supply it means electricity plus hardware, hub switcher router it is also a hardware and network software it is a part of software. Yes students. Next, servers are computers. Here servers refer this word computers. Servers are computers that store and control shared files, programs and the network operating systems. First of all, you have to know about operating system. If you want to understand this topic, so first of all we have to know about operating system. Dear student, operating system is a software which we can use for interface between a user and a machine. Now what do you want? हम क्या चाहते हैं कंप्यूटर से? वो काम ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर का होता है. नाउ अगेन, सर्वर्स आर कंप्यूटर दैट स्टोर एंड कंट्रोल शेयर फाइल्स, मीन्स दोज फाइल्स विच computers can store, programs means softwares and the network operating systems. These are known as part of servers and we can say that it is whole process is known as servers. Servers are main computers that can hold shared files, programs, and network operating system which we can use for multiple purpose. Servers provide access to network resources to all the users of the networks. Students, understand this line. Servers provide access to network resources to all the users of the networks. Means those persons who can use internet and to want information. Now the information is in servers. Now servers can send the whole information with the help of network resources with client or users. Now different types of servers are, here is file servers, print servers, mail servers, communication servers, database servers, fax servers, web servers, etc. Students, next topic, clients. Clients are computers. You have to see this diagram here. A person is sitting here, this person is user, and now this computers can this person is sitting here, he is user, or this computer's clients that access and use the network and share network resources as the request and receive services from the servers. Means we can say that client is that type of computers that sending the information and receiving the information with the help of network resources. Okay, so you have to always remember that clients are computers. Okay, clients are computers or clients are user that want to use information and that want to send information. Next, transmission media. If you use information, so first of all we want transmission media. Transmission media are the channels, links or lines used to interconnect computers in a networks. Example, twisted pair wire, coaxial cable and optical fiber cable. Mean if we connect with this systems to this systems, we need to a cable. This cable is known as transmission media. Means students, we can say that cable is a medium that we connect one computer to another computers. Next, shared peripherals. These are hardware resources provided to the users of the network by servers. Resources can be including data files, printers, softwares or any other items. Shared peripherals means some hardware resources which we can provided for users or networks by the servers. Next, network interface card. N short form is NIC. NIC means network interface card. This full form is beneficial for us. The network interface card formats and sends data, receive data and control data flow between the computer and the networks. Now the main function of this card is receive data, control data, flow between the computers and the networks. Next, operating system. We have to discuss already operating systems. Operating system is a user interface between a user and a machine. Next one, types of network. Generally, networks are categorized based on their geographical distance. A network can be as small as distance between your mobile phone and its Bluetooth headphone and as huge as the internet world. Now first of all we have to discuss PAN. What do you mean by PAN? PAN, personal area network. A personal area network is token network which is very personal to a user. This may include Bluetooth enabled devices or infrared enabled devices. It has connectivity range up to 10 meters. Personal area network means PAN may consist of wireless computer, keyboard, mouse, Bluetooth enabled headphones, wireless printers and TV remotes. These are the best examples of personal area networks. Students, remember wireless computer, keyboard, mouse, Bluetooth enabled headphones, wireless printers and TV remotes is the best examples of PAN. And PAN range और PAN कनेक्टिविटी रेंज अप टू 10 मीटर्स, यानी वो डिवाइसेज जो अप्रोक्सीमेटली 10 मीटर्स की रेंज में अपना वर्क प्रोफाइल कंप्लीट करते हैं, वो यूजर्स के लिए PAN एरिया नेटवर्क्स का काम करते हैं. नेक्स्ट, LAN, लोकल एरिया नेटवर्क, ए कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क लिमिटेड inside a building and operated under one organizational system is generally termed as local area network. Usually LAN covers offices, school, colleges or universities. Number of systems connected in LAN may vary from 2 systems to 16 million systems. Students, now we have to understand in this definition. Now local area networks in a small area, that is a small school, colleges, universities and hospitals and a small town. Metropolitan area networks. Now this section, the metropolitan area networks man normally expands all over a city, such as cable TV network. It can be in the form of Ethernet, ATM token ring or fiber distributed data interface, that is FDDI. Metro Ethernet is a service provided by internet service providers. It enables its user to expand their local area network. For example, MAN can help an organization to join all of its offices in a city. The strength of MAN is high capacity and high speed fiber optics. MAN works among local area network and wide area networks. Now metropolitan area cities adapt these facilities. Especially we can say that those area which cover approximately 10 lakh population in a wide range, where this where these facilities we will be used. WAN, wide area network, covers a wide area which may cross even the whole country. Normally telecommunication networks are wide area network. These networks provide connectivity to MAN and LANs. If one company has branches in several localities, a wide area network is feasible choice to boost efficiency, output and increase internal communications. Here we can understand that if a internet service provider company can set their office in or router area set in Mumbai, and he can provide whole line with another area, the whole process with the help of wide area network process. Means wide area network process is use a large amount area. Dear students, we have to understand LAN and WAN with the differentiate between first LAN, second is WAN. First of all, their full form, how we can understand their name. First is stands for LAN means local area network and WAN wide area network. Stand for means their full form. Next, area covers. LAN is refer local area, only homes, offices, school, hospital, means small scale area, and when wide area networks, large geographical areas like metropolitan cities, their population is too wide, states, nations, a country and their states. Definition: LAN is a computer network covering a small geographic area like a home, office, school or group of building. We have to understand for L means local area networks, means local means small scale area, and now second is wide area networks, W for wide is a computer network that covers a broad area. Example, any networks whose communication links cross metropolitan cities, regional or national boundaries over a long distance. Means this whole definition is refers W, wide area range. Next, connection. LAN can be connected to other LANs over any distance using telephone lines and radio waves. Now we have to connect with the help of telephone lines as well as radio waves. And now when computers connected to a wide area network are connected using public networks, telephone system, they can also be connected through base lines or satellite, means wide area network connected with directly satellites.